Believe, and you're here in the office of Mr. Toops at the Always Believe House. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're going to finish up our last tutorial part of Staar Review 4. Turn it in on Thursday for 5 extra points. We don't have school Friday. And if you turn it in, it is due Monday. Make sure you're turning these in. It is a grade. Let me start recording. And shazam! I have a whiteboard in my office. We are recording. Okay, so we're going to finish this up today. We're going to do a few of them. And let's start on number 21. So we're going to go to 21. And I'm going to start you on number, let's do the second one. The first one is pretty simple. Just distribute. Make sure you use a calculator with those decimals. The answer on number 21, the first one could be a decimal. If it's given as decimals, your answer will be a decimal. So let's do the next equation. So this one right here, we're going to distribute a bluebell truck of 2, and the 2 and the 3 are going to combine, aren't they? So we do not distribute the 2 to the 2x minus 7. So these 2's cancel. So I'll have x minus 2 times 18 is 36. Then if I multiply these two together, I get 6, don't I? And now I'm going to distribute 6. So I'll get 12x minus 42. So right there, that bluebell truck over that number distributing didn't cancel out. You multiply them, then you distribute that. Now then on this one, I would move the x to the right, and I would move the 42 to the left. So I'm going to get 6 equals 11x, divide by 11, and x will be 6 over 11, won't it? Piece of cake. Let's go across right here. Let's go to the bottom one. We're going to solve for n. So I want to find the n all by itself. So I need to move over the g, the 3, and the 5. So I'm going to multiply both sides by g. And I'll get PG equals 3n minus 5. The next step is to move over the 5. PG plus 5 equals 3n. And then I'm going to divide by 3, aren't I? So n will equal to PGO plus 5 over 3. So really quickly, let's look at what happened. The g is on the bottom ended. And the answer, the g's on the top. The 3 is on the top, and the answer, the 3 is on the bottom. If you multiply or divide, it's going to flip spots in the fraction. And then the 5 is negative, and our answer, the 5 is positive. If you add or subtract, the sign will switch. And remember, these are going to be multiple choices, so try to figure those out as you go through them. And now then on 24, this is important. If you're virtual, eliminate these parts over here. We will not do compound inequalities. So you're just going to solve that. I will do the second one for you. So on this one right here, we're going to distribute a 4 to get rid of our 4, right? So I'll have negative 12 greater than 3x minus 24. I'm just going to solve it with the x on the left and flip it. I'm going to move the 24 across. So I'll have 12 greater than 3x, divide by 3. And I'm going to end up with 4 greater than x. If I flip this, I get this, don't I? So I'm going to put 0 and 4, open dot on the 4, and my arrow is going to go to the left in it. Remember, if you put the letter on the left, the inequality and the arrow tip will match up. Okay? Pretty simple stuff. Then let's go to number 25. These are going to get cool. You can read about Bubba Bob and Jiminy John, Emma Sue, and Lucy Claire. Bubba Bob has 50 bucks, so that's going to be our starting number. After spending 15 to go to the football game, they go out to eat at Thibodeau's Classic Cajun Dinner. That's a good place to eat. They're going to eat stuffed crabs. I love stuffed crabs. Each stuffed crab costs $5. Write and solve an inequality to determine the number of stuffed crabs Bubba Bob can purchase, okay? So each stuffed crab is 5. So write down 5x. This is actually going to be our total in it. And this is going to be our starting number. And this will be our growing number. Okay, so 5x plus 15 cannot be more than 50, right? So on the left, I have what I'm spending, and my total is 15. So I have a gx plus s in total, don't I? Okay, so I'm just going to move over the 15 and solve it for x. That'll be the number of stuffed crabs I can purchase. Let me stop recording here. What a great, great day. Let me end the meeting. Please continue to do these star reviews. It's the most important thing I've given to you every week. If you haven't noticed, this is the fourth one, and the problems keep repeating. So you're going to be fine. Email me if you need help. Those that are emailing me have realized that I'm getting back to you pretty quickly. Remember, you are amazing. You were created to do wonderful things. Always believe, and you are awesome.